Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a KML file to Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you want to visualize custom geographic data, whether it's locations for a trip, property boundaries, or any other spatial information you've saved in KML format. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you to the standard Google Maps interface where you can search for locations and get directions. Once you're on the main Maps page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Saved. Click on it to access your saved places and custom maps. After clicking Saved, you'll see several options appear. Look for the one that says Maps and click on it. This section is where all your personalized maps are stored, allowing you to organize and access custom geographic data you've created or imported. It's essentially your personal mapping library within Google Maps. Now at the bottom of this section, you'll find a button that says Create Map. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open Google My Maps in a new browser tab. Google My Maps is a separate tool that gives you more advanced features for creating and customizing maps with multiple layers, markers, and imported data. Give it a moment to load completely. Once Google My Maps is opened, you'll see a prompt or button labeled Create. Click on this to start building your new custom map. This initializes a blank map canvas where you can begin adding your KML file and other elements. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a section that displays Untitled Layer. This is the default layer that Google My Maps creates for you. Layers help you organize different types of information on the same map, making it easier to manage complex geographic data. Directly under the Untitled Layer text, you'll see an option that says Import. Click on it to begin the process of bringing your KML file into this map. This is the key step that allows you to transfer your saved geographic data into Google Maps. A file selection window will appear. Click on Browse to navigate through your computer's file system. Locate the KML file you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then confirm your selection. And that's it. Your KML file will now be uploaded and displayed on your Google My Maps canvas. All the geographic data, markers, lines, and polygons contained in your KML file will appear on the map, allowing you to view, edit, and share your custom geographic information directly through Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.